been a really fantastic evening. There's been a bit of everything. We've had a digital opera, we've had a big piece with a poem at the end by Owen Shears and video and the ensemble, but we've had a handful of pieces by young composers and a little piece that I wrote to open the concert based on a film that was created with local people. So really it's just had a bit of everything really.
I've had two roles for this performance. I was the filmmaking trainee and workshop support, but then I was also the creative consultant to Owen Shears for mine, and I read and performed that piece here tonight. I think it's great that we remember our past, but I think it's also worthy of presenting what's here now and capturing the stories of now, because in 100 years they will be of past, and if we don't continue to capture the stories of now and tell stories of today of artists like myself from the valleys of today, then I think that we'd be lost amongst that.
I am Mark Singer. I played Detective Grayson in Trouble in Treorchy. It felt weird. I'm used to hearing myself because I do like voiceover and stuff, but to actually see myself that big, it felt weird and bizarre, but nice and lovely.